I'm Ashley at All South Appliance. I want to talk a little bit today about some laundry, specifically the Electrolux Front Load 627 set. It's one of my favorites and I have people come in and they get it all the time. So a couple things that I like about it are, first of all, it's the first set of laundry that has a pod dispenser in it. Everybody uses pods now, so you can just drop them in right here. I really like that. It's also the only set of laundry that's going to have a reversible washer door. So if you have a strange closet space or if your connections are flipped for the washer and dryer, you can flip the washer and the dryer door to make it open how you want it to. It's going to have something called Lux Care Wash and like Smart Boost, and that's just where it maximizes the ability to get stains out of your clothes by pre-mixing the water and the detergent. It has a 15-minute fast wash cycle and a 15-minute fast dry cycle, which is probably actually my favorite feature because that means that you could do a small load of laundry in 30 minutes. You can set this on pedestals. We have them shown without, but if you don't have a countertop or something, you can put it on pedestals and lift it up some. Or like this, you see it stacked. We have a lot of laundry here at All South. We have a ton of different brands. This is just one of my personal go-tos, the Electrolux. Also because they have this second floor guarantee, so it doesn't shake or move around. Electrolux will give you your money back if it's too loud or too noisy, so you don't have to be worried about where you put it in your house. But yeah, we have a ton of other stuff to see that you can put your hands on, so just come out and see us.